Welcome back everyone to Flix It Yourself. As you can see over here, it's a very small kitchen. There's not much space on the counter. And this toast oven is a real space drainer. And a lot of people going up the country, and they have very little counter space. Let me show you a very easy idea. Something you can use to gain more counter space. It's $23 on Amazon. And it's very easy to install. It comes in different pieces. You see over here, this closes down. All this is disconnected. And it literally takes 3-4 minutes to install. The most difficult part was peeling off the plastic that was covering this, but the installation was very easy. All this over here, you have to put on the nuts to be able to adjust it. There's different sizes, you can move it out, move it in. This way, the same thing. You put the nuts, you can adjust it this way, that way. Basically what you need to do is measure your microwave, how deep it goes, and make the size accordingly. The same thing goes over here. Once you have done that, all you need to do is go like this. Put in 2 screws over here like I did over here. 2 screws on the wall like this. Look how beautiful. I'll put it on. I have to tighten it over here. 1, 2. Another 2 screws over here. 3, 4. Make sure that the microwave is going to fit, or the toast oven. Make sure that it's leveled. You tighten it up. Look how much space we gained over here. It goes up over here. It's nice and secured. You have such hooks that you could put on to hang some vegetables or stuff. Everything looks nice and organized. Now you have a lot more of counter space. It's only $23 for 5 minutes to install. You basically need a leveler and a drill to install it. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.